Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we are unboxing my February Young Living Essential Rewards order. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have skincare products, they have nutritional supplements, all kinds of household cleaning products. They have products for babies, children, and men and women. I am an Essential Rewards member, and so basically that means I save 24% on Young Living products, and each month I am committed to spending $50 on their products. I can change the date that I have my order shipped. I can change the products that I have shipped to me monthly. I have to spend as little as $50, but I can spend as much as I want, and I get 24% back each time that I place an Essential Rewards order. So I do that monthly. I think I've been on Essential Rewards for over 5 years, and I love Young Living products. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. Do you see that?
Uh-huh. I bet this is for my room.
So the first thing that we see here is I placed an order for a Desert Mist diffuser. And so basically a few months back, Ashlyn's diffuser died in her bedroom, and we like to diffuse during the night to help support our health and wellness. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this diffuser and put it out in our front living room, and then take the diffuser that we have in the living room and put it up in her bedroom so she can have essential oils diffusing at night to help support her health and wellness. So this Desert Mist diffuser does have a lot of options that the Dewdrop diffuser doesn't have. So I'm going to read to you what it says about it. Okay, it says, with its Moroccan-inspired design and soft glow, the Desert Mist ultrasonic diffuser is an elegant addition to your home decor. It features remarkably long run times, a full spectrum of lighting options, and a customizable design. And so I think this one changes colors. Where the Dewdrop stays blue, I think this one has the ability to change colors. And I think it also has a candlelight flicker option on the settings. So I'm excited to have that for our living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there. Okay, so we have, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, I guess I should show you first. I have decided in the new year that I would like to try and order some new products, and so each month I'm going to try to order at least one new product. And so we have the Tranquil Roll-On here. You want to smell it?
Mm-hmm. It smells like lavender.
Okay, so Tranquil is good for relaxation and things like that. So hold this, Ashlyn. I'm going to read what's in the Tranquil Roll-On. It says, apply the comforting aromas of lavender, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile wherever you go with the ease of Tranquil Roll-On. The ingredients include coconut oil, lavender, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile. I love the smell of lavender, and I really like the smell of cedarwood. I've never smelled Roman chamomile, but this smells really good. I think I'm going to need to add Roman chamomile to my collection. And so those 3 essential oils are well known for supporting your sleep. And so I think this one would be a good one to roll on at night before going to bed. And it just has a very relaxing and calming fragrance. And so that's a good one. That's a new roll-on. All right, Ashlyn, you want to do the big one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Big tubes usually mean supplements. And so I get the same supplement once I go back to school to help support my health and wellness and my immune system. What is it?
Inner Defense.
Okay, so Inner Defense is something I start taking when I go back to school. Basically, this is like a Thieves capsule, Thieves Essential Oil in a capsule. It contains a lot of good essential oils that are great for supporting your immune system and your respiratory system. It contains oregano, thyme, lemongrass, but it also has the Thieves Essential Oil blend, which contains clove, eucalyptus radiata, cinnamon bark, rosemary, and lemon. Thieves is well known to be a good essential oil for your respiratory and immune systems, and so basically I take 1 capsule at night before I go to bed, and just to try to help keep my health above the wellness line. So Ashlyn, go ahead and put that up there. And we have 3 tubes.
3 little tubes.
3 little tubes.
This one is Tangerine.
Oh, okay, so when you get the Desert Mist Diffuser, you get a couple of free essential oils, and so we have Tangerine here. Tangerine is an essential oil that is really uplifting, and it smells really, really good, and so this one would be a good one to put in your diffuser, and it's a good starter oil, and that's probably why they give that with the diffuser.
Time for the next one. Peppermint.
And so I think this is the other one that they are giving for free with the Desert Mist Diffuser, Peppermint. And so these two actually would be great together in the diffuser. And it's nice that they give you a couple free oils to go with your diffuser. So, all right, anything else in there?
Yes.
Rosemary. And so this is Rosemary Vitality, and so it has the white label, which means that it is labeled for internal consumption. I am trying to build up my Vitality Essential Oil collection, and I think I added this one to my order because I was really close to the 190 PV level. And so when you hit the 190 PV level with Young Living, you get some free essential oils. I wanted to hit that mark for the month of February, and so I added that one. That one's only, I think it's like $7.75 or something like that one. But that one can be added to your food, your drinks, and things like that. All right, on to the next two. This is a new one.
Dry skincare.
This is the Essential Beauty Dry Skin Serum, and I have very dry skin, and so this was another product that I decided to add to my order to try something new. And let's smell it real quick.
I haven't smelled this at all, so I have no clue.
When I smell it, I smell cedarwood, so I wonder if that's in there. So basically, this is good to support your skin. I'll read to you what it says about the essential oil, or dry skin serum, the Essential Beauty Serum. And so I'll go ahead and put that there. Let's see what it says. Does that smell good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so the Essential Beauty Serum, it says Young Living's Essential Beauty Serum for dry skin contains essential oils such as blue cypress and lavender, known for their ability to restore the skin's natural moisture balance. And it says to add 3 to 5 drops daily to moisturizer and apply gently over face and neck. For spot treatment, apply serum directly onto desired area and rub gently into skin. And so I was hoping that this would help with my dry skin. I'm constantly having to moisturize and do things for my skin.
I have no clue what it says because I can't read that.
This is Aroma Siez, and I have a small bottle of Aroma Siez, but I wanted to get a big bottle. Do you want to smell it?
Yeah.
Okay. She likes to smell the essential oils.
Mm-hmm.
I think it smells good, but I don't know what you're going to think. She's not much into the mint and stuff like that. So Aroma Siez is an essential oil blend, so it has a lot of different oils in it. And it says, Aroma Siez is a key Young Living blend that combines the soothing and relaxing properties of lavender and peppermint, and that's probably why you don't like it. Now, when I smell it, this is what I smell. The basil. It has basil, lavender, cypress, marjoram, and peppermint. And so they say that that essential oil is good for adding to coconut oil and applying for supporting the muscles in the body and things like that. But I think it smells really good.
This is cedarwood.
Cedarwood. This was one of the free essential oils this month. I love how Young Living gives you free essential oils, but this one is great for sleep support. It's also good for supporting your hair, your scalp, and your skin. It has that kind of woodsy smell. When I first smelled cedarwood the first time, I did not like the smell of it, but I absolutely love it. And I enjoy diffusing cedarwood and lavender in my diffuser at night if I'm really looking to get some good rest at night. So that's a freebie, which is a good one. We got one more tube. This was a pretty big order for us. I like to do the 190 PV level just so you can get some free essential oils. Free is always good. Do you need help?
Whoa, here they come. Let all them slide out.
Okay, so the first one that we have in that tube is Ylang, and this was also a free essential oil this month. Ylang is a floral fragrance. I have this already and it smells good. This one's a good one to diffuse with citrus oils, and it's known to be to have a romantic fragrance, and so I I think that's why they made it part of the February promotional rewards. Ylang Ylang, and that's a good one. Let me read to you what it says about Ylang Ylang. So Ylang Essential Oil is perfect for diffusing to enjoy its romantic and relaxing sweet floral aroma. And so that's a nice floral scent. Okay, what's next, Ashlyn? Patchouli. This was also free this month. So patchouli, I have patchouli. I think I have 2 of these. I really need to research some ways on how to use patchouli. A lot of people call it the hippie oil. It is not a scent that I gravitate towards, but it's not a really bad scent or anything like that. I just need to investigate some ways that I can diffuse or use patchouli. I do think it's known to be good for the skin, and so that could be another reason why it was in the February promotional rewards. So patchouli. Let me read what it says about patchouli real quick. So patchouli essential oil may be used topically to improve the appearance of dry skin and is an ideal complement when added to your favorite skincare products. Diffuse this oil for a calming, relaxing, and peaceful fragrance. And so some people love it and some people don't. Okay, and
last but not least
is our go-to. We use Thieves all the time. Thieves is an essential oil blend that we use to support our immune and respiratory systems. We need all the support we can get. There's been a lot going around, so we want to keep our health and wellness above the wellness line. So this one's a good one. Let's see. So Thieves Essential Oil Blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol, and its ingredients include clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and Eucalyptus radiata. And so I think that's it. Let's check these tubes real quick. Yep, I think we're good. If you have any questions about Young Living or becoming an Essential Rewards member or just signing up, there's 3 different ways you can get Young Living products. And so if you have any questions about that, feel free to leave that in the comments box below and I will get back with you. I will leave my membership number in the box. And if you go to the Young Living website, you can enter that membership number in and you can either sign up with a premium starter kit to become a Young Living member, or you can sign up as a retail customer and just order a few products here and there. So, and then Essential Rewards is for people who are wanting to receive products every month. Until next time, bye guys.
Bye.